Hello, you guys. My name is Freddy. Welcome to my home workout. So, for the goal of our 2 mesocycles is gonna be hypertrophy. But we're gonna focus this mesocycle on endurance. Okay. Today being week 1. So we're gonna have 2 sets of 15 reps with 50-second rest in between of every set. Okay. But those 50 seconds, you're just not gonna be standing there resting. What you're gonna be doing, it's either gonna be jumping jacks, or you're gonna get yourself a rope and you're gonna be jumping the rope. Okay. So keep a good rhythm. So for our first exercise, we're gonna have lunges, alternating lunges. So for the lunges, this being your starting position, feet shoulder width apart, weights on the side. We're gonna draw a big right step. We're gonna break at the hip, flex the knee, going down. We're gonna go back up. Okay. We're gonna alternate right and left. Okay, 15 and 15. If this is too easy for you guys, what you can do is do walking lunges. Okay, so you're gonna perform the same pattern but walking instead of going back. Okay, if this is too hard for you guys, what you can do is to start in a split stance. This is a split stance. So this is your starting position. Weights on the side, proud chest all the time. We're gonna flex at the hip while going down, flex at the knee, slightly tap the floor with our knee. We're gonna come back up. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna do shoulder press. We're gonna stand feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna have our weight slightly above our ears, making sure that our elbows are 90 degrees. From here, we're gonna fully extend our elbows, making sure that our elbows are hugging our ears. We're gonna come back down. Okay? If this is too easy for you guys, you're gonna perform a single hand. Okay? So from here, you're gonna fully extend your elbow. You're gonna bring it back down. Got it? 15 and 15. If this is too hard for you guys, you're gonna get the dumbbell or your weight in a goblet position, like if you were gonna perform a goblet squat. This is called goblet grip. Okay, so from here you're gonna fully extend to the top of your elbows, and then you're gonna come back down. Got it? For our next exercise, we're gonna perform our RDLs. So for our RDLs, we're gonna start with feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna have our weights to the front. Okay, we're gonna flex at the knee, flex at the hip, slightly bring our torso to the front, stick that butt out. We're gonna act like we want to pick up something from the floor while we flex our hip, going down, and then fully extend for going back up so we can get back to starting position. Okay, if that's too hard for you guys, you can widen your stance, wider than feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna have our weight in front of us. We're gonna have the same thing, stick your butt out, flex at the hip, break at the knee, act like you want to pick up something from the floor while you go down, flexing the hip, and then fully extend the hip when you go back up. Okay, so if this is too easy for you guys, what you can do is you're gonna slow the tempo. The way to progress is to slow the tempo when you go down. So you're gonna go 3 seconds going down, flex at the knee, flex at the hip. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and extend fully in 1 second when you go up. Okay, so just remember, slow the tempo to make it harder. So for our next exercise, we're gonna do an overhead farmer's march. So we're gonna fully extend, fully press our weights all the way to the top, fully extend our elbows, make sure that our biceps are hugging our ears, and from here you're just gonna march. Raise your knees. Okay, this is the only exercise that you're gonna do 45 seconds. This is the only exercise you're gonna do by time. Okay, if this is too hard for you guys, you can hang your weights onto your side. From here, you're gonna start raising your knees. If this is too easy for you guys, once you have the weight pressed, your elbows all the way extended, you're gonna do them walking, marching and walking. Okay, for our last exercise, we're gonna do a beast pose. So for beast pose, we're gonna get into prone position, facing the ground, making sure that our elbow is above. Our elbow is beneath our shoulder. So we're gonna bring our knees to the height of our belly. We're gonna have our feet together, knees together, heels together. We're gonna tuck our toes and we're gonna slightly raise only our knees. Okay? 2 inches above the ground. We're gonna do 15 taps. Okay? If this is too easy for you guys, you're gonna hold this position for 45 seconds. Okay? If this is too hard for you guys, you're just gonna hold a push-up position, making sure that your shoulder is aligned with your hip and your shoulder is above your elbow. Again, for 45 seconds. And that's it. Thank you.